Hello, YouTube. Let's get started on the left wing of this airplane. We'll just call those wings 21 or left 1. I don't know. Something like that. Right one's done as far as the top skins are concerned, and it is now stored in the basement. And now it's time to get to work on the ribs for the left wing. So this is what was done before. Calicoing them all in place. I have already labeled them out, 1 through 14. 1 through 12? No, it's 14. And they're ready to go. Let me see for verification here if I can pull up my PDF. And I can't because I closed it. Oh well. Anyway. Yeah, so I was attaching them temporarily with Clecos and then using the spar bar holes to match drill the first 11 of them, I believe it is. Yeah, 11. And then the last 3 don't because they're a different type because they just get riveted on. They don't get bolts. So we're match drilling those for the bolts and nuts that they'll eventually get. And then we'll take them all off and clean them all out and deburr, etc., 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 etc. The wings are repeated processes, or I guess a better way to put that is just process ad nauseum. It's just lots of the same. Yep. So not only did it drill the holes out to, I think it's number 12 for the bolts. No, it would be, yeah, I think it's number 12 because they get a AM3. If not, it doesn't matter what I'm saying. What matters is what was done. So, and same as on the right wing, the left wing attach brackets for the flaps there. I definitely took those completely apart, and because of the mess I had to make cleaning all the gunk off of them from the adhesive off of them from the coating or covering, whatever you want to call it, vinyl. I had to scrape the heck out of them down and end up just cleaning them up, cleaning them off, and throwing some primer on them. Most of the part will get primed eventually with it on the outside of the airplane, but the parts that are, riveted together, I'm also priming because I had to scuff the surface pretty badly to get the goop off of them. And then it's right on to using the step drill to drill out the holes for the systems routing. So this is the left wing. It's got some bigger holes than the right wing in my plane. And again, this is because it's my plane and I'm building it the way I feel will be good. Realistically, it's a minor choice, but I've decided to go down the path of Garmin avionics. So I'll be, not that it really matters for a pitot static, or for pitot AOE, but I'll be using the Garmin pitot AOE tube. So there will be 2 air pressure lines that essentially come into the cabin from the wing. One will be for the pitot tube for, ram pressure, and the other is for the angle of attack sensor, which on the pitot mast it's another hole that's pretty much underneath the pitot hole, and so it doesn't get as much pressure when the airflow is straight on, but as the angle of attack of the wing increases, or rather the change to the relative wind to the wing increases the pressure on the lower port. That basically translates into a condition that can be interpreted to angle of attack. So had to drill these out a bit bigger for both of those tubes, and then the wiring that'll be going out to the left side of the wing, which will include, I believe, the VOR antenna as well. So all that antenna wiring, all that stuff will be coming way later, but for now, it's finishing up these holes and getting some snap bushings in them. So thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.